the super featherweight. Opposite of 3 defeats, fighting out of
Magnifico Magsayo. Hey guys, the DEC.10.
Matapos mag-expire ang kanyang kontrata sa Alam Management ay halos 2 taong nagpahinga itong ating bida, ang tubong buhol at dating WBC World Featherweight Champion na si Mark Magsayo alias Magnifico. At dahil sa kagustuhang ipagpatuloy ang naudlot niyang pangarap ang maging World Champion ay naglakas loob na bumalik si Magnifico sa larangan ng palakasan. Bit-bit ang determinasyon na manalo sa bawat bakbakan at masundan ang yapak ng kanyang iniidolo na ating pambansang kamao na si Pacman. April 12, 2019 ay lumipad ang Team Magsayo sa bansang Singapore para labanan ang nagngangalang Eric Destroyer ng bansang Indonesia. Pangalan pa lang ay nakakatakot na, pero buo ang kumpiyansa ng ating bida. Nagigibain lang niya ang pambato ng Indonesia gamit ang kaniyang mga kamao na parang mga maso. 8 rounds lang ang kanilang laban at ginawa ito sa daring boxing community sa bansang Singapore. Bago ang laban ay bit-bit ni Kabayan ang malinis na record na 18 wins, 0 loss, 13 dito via knockout, habang 12 wins, 4 losses, 1 draw ang kalabang si Eric Destroyer. Isang tripleng lakas ang pinakita ni Magnifico sa kanyang pagbabalik sa ibabaw ng lona. Scheduled 8 rounds ang kanilang laban, pero di pinaabot ni Magsayo ang hatol sa mga hurado. Dinurog ng tubong buhol ang Destroyer ng Indonesia. Ating balikan ang comeback fight ni Magsayo noon matapos itong magpahinga ng halos 2 taon. Mark Magsayo kontra Eric Destroyer.
Tonight, the officials and judges have done a sterling job so far. In Indonesia, with a name like Eric Destroyer, you don't need a nickname, do you? And the Filipino with the black and gold starting on here. Eric Destroyer, oh, that left! Momentarily bamboozled Eric 4 times, so it should be a stern test. But look at this from the Filipino. Mark Magsayo looking really sharp early on. The Vladimir boxing gym. Oh, nice right as well, Magsayo. Not about trouble as Mark Magsayo continues to come forward here. And I'm looking in the whites of the Indonesian's eyes. I think he knows that Mark Magsayo is going to prove. I think he's in survival mode already in round number 1. Into the red corner he goes. Now tries to switch him into the neutral. He's just... Oh, wild left. But he's done enough on the judges' scorecards. Lovely left to the body as well. From 19 wins, quite clean. Right uppercut there. Eric the Destroyer. Magsayo again with a left, and again 3 lefts on the spin. The Indonesian rocked back momentarily, comes back with a left jab of his own. Now to the body goes the Eric Destroyer. And this has been a really impressive opening. 3 minutes, and the Filipino this time lands with a right and another right as well. And just on the bell, there was a little jab there, and the Eric Destroyer has been beaten down by Indo. Jetson Ambao, the Dynamite Man, getting the better of Tommy Serran on points. What an impressive performance it was. The first round TKO from Fash Karudin against Fabranti. Then Kirsty Gano with that second win in as many outings against Nadia Kaur, and now Mark Magsayo. After a really strong first round, I think he's going to turn on the turbo here and try and finish this one off. Eric the Destroyer have his arm raised in victory 12 times, but Mark Magsayo with this really impressive lead left is doing a very, very strong run indeed. Sit down underneath the hip, I think, there from the Indonesian. And he's regrouped a little bit, but again he was... And again, it's a familiar scene of the Indonesian being rocked back in the corner. Another monstrous left, just about. Eric Destroyer got enough defence on it to get it out. And now I taking his time now into the corner. When he gets him into this red corner, which is his own corner, Mark Magsayo really tries to unleash with that left that can be devastating both in the jab, and when he pulls it full throttle, there's the left again. Just missed with another left there. Is good head work from Eric Destroyer. Oh, nice 3-punch combination. That's the best combination Eric Destroyer's thrown in the fight so far. Getting a little bit more aggressive, and when he might. Nice job in the second round, Eric Destroyer, of keeping out of trouble. There's still enough time in this second round if Mark Magsayo can land with one of these really aggressive lefts he's throwing, and there's that left again. The left-hand cross finding its target. Final 10 seconds in the second round, and just like it did in the first, he's going to survive the second round. Eric Destroyer, but it's another round you'd have to give to Mark Magsayo, even though it was out of this bout. But didn't come as close in the second as he did in the first, and presumably forcing it out his stoppage, but he's come out strong to the body at the start of the third. And Eric Destroyer is only in one gear at the moment, and that's reverse. That left from Mark Magsayo, clearly capable of doing some real damage. Unfazed by anything that Eric Destroyer's got to throw, does Mark Magsayo. Nice run at this time. Mixes up his combinations really well, and now Eric Destroyer covers up effectively. It's looking hard to try and find a way, even 2 rounds and a minute in, to see if there's a pathway to victory here for Eric Destroyer. His only chance is that Mark Magsayo's early efforts maybe just cobbled together. Everyone here is in prime shape. There's some great matches, some great victories. Oh, Eric Destroyer again. He's just hoping, I think, that Destroyer will trade with him at the moment, Mark Magsayo. He's not managed to, Eric Destroyer having to go all over the ring. He's covered plenty of real estate as Mark Magsayo bosses the middle of the ring. There, big right. Just got his hands up in time. There's another right and a left. And now Eric Destroyer on the receiving end of one to the body, still got good movement, but it's evasive action all the way. We'll fight on paper, our main event, only scheduled for 8 3-minute rounds, and that promises to be an absolute barnstormer between 2 unbeaten prospects in Abdullah Karoum and Alexandru David. Now, Eric Destroyer just having to drive himself out of trouble there. Oh, big to the body again. He's mixed it up brilliantly, Mark Magsayo. He's got 20 seconds left to last out in this third round. Hair of Eric Destroyer, final 10 seconds. But to his credit, it doesn't look like he's blowing too hard, Eric the Destroyer, even though he's done all that work. But at the so 4th round of a scheduled 6. And at the moment, Mark Magsayo, you get the feeling, is one action. His only hope at this stage is that Mark Magsayo has punched himself out, and I don't see it. In between rounds, Mark Magsayo still looked ice cool and comfortable. Wasn't any distress seasons coming out from Eric Destroyer, and he's forced Mark Magsayo for the first time into a real wop. Decent Mark Magsayo point of view. Oh, nice big right from Eric the Destroyer. This is probably his best round so far, this 4th. Now the left. Going for that 1-2 again. Oh, that was lovely. 4 punches on the spin. Now gets him in the corner and he goes down this time. And that could be all she wrote. I think about a bit of body shot that was a telling blow. Is Eric Destroyer going to get up? I don't think he is. He's up to 8. This is going to be KO number 14 for Mark Magsayo. 19-0. And the man from the Philippines.
Ako nga pala si Kenneth Lover, Philippine Youth Champion sa lumalaban sa Bantamweight Division. Shoutout nga pala sa channel ni Manoy 0.2. Like and share, subscribe.